15 health benefits of quail eggs. Quails are medium-sized birds found in Europe, North Africa, the southern United States and some parts of Asia. The eggs of quails are white or tan with dark brown spots and are quite smaller in size than the average chicken eggs. Though quail eggs are generally considered to be healthy, they have a higher yolk-to-white ratio than normal eggs. Hence, they are high in cholesterol. They are widely consumed in most of the Asian cuisines, especially in Japanese cuisine. Japanese bento boxes carry these eggs and they are typically eaten 3 to 5 at a time, due to their smaller sizes. These cute-looking eggs make for appropriate garnishes. These eggs have high demand in many culinary preparations, due to the rich and flavorful yolk. However, they are extremely rich with healthy nutrients and can be an appropriate substitute for the ones who are allergic to chicken eggs. Read on to find out amazing health benefits of these tiny eggs. Nutritional value of quail eggs: 100 grams of raw, whole quail eggs contain 74.35 grams water, 158 kilocalories energy, and they also contain 13.05 grams protein, 11.09 grams fat, 0.41 grams carbohydrate, 0.40 grams sugar, 64 milligrams calcium, 3.65 milligrams iron, 13 milligrams magnesium, 226 milligrams phosphorus, 132 milligrams potassium, 141 milligrams sodium, 1.47 milligrams zinc, 66 mcg folate, 1.58 IU vitamin B12, 543 IU vitamin A, 1.08 mg vitamin E, 55 IU vitamin D, 844 milligrams cholesterol. Health benefits of quail eggs. 1. Reduce risks of terminal illness. Low potassium count in your body can make you prone to contracting terminal illnesses like heart disease, high blood pressure, arthritis, stroke, cancer and digestive disorders. Quail eggs are rich sources of potassium, thus, supplement the needs of potassium in your body. 2. Prevent chronic diseases. Quail eggs possess significant levels of vitamin A and vitamin C that can keep the onset of many chronic diseases at bay and promote overall health. 3. Treat allergies and inflammation. Ovomucoid is present in these eggs. This type of protein acts as a natural anti-allergic component. Inflammation, congestion or other symptoms of allergic reactions can be alleviated with the help of these eggs. 4. Boost metabolism. Vitamin B found in these eggs can boost metabolic activity throughout the body by improving hormonal and enzymatic function. 5. Boost immunity. Quail eggs improve your immune system. They clean the blood from toxins and heavy metals, enhance the blood purity, boost memory and increase brain activity. 6. Increase hemoglobin levels in the blood. High iron content in quail eggs can help anemic people to a large extent. Eating them regularly improve hemoglobin levels. 7. Improve vision. Vitamin A present in quail eggs protects vision, helps reduce macular degeneration and prevents the development of cataracts. 8. Manage blood pressure. Quail eggs are high in potassium. This mineral helps in relieving strain on the arteries and blood vessels, hence, keeps the blood pressure in check. 9. Improve heart health. HDL, high-density lipoprotein, makes up more than 60% of the fat in quail eggs. This beneficial fatty acids aid in enhanced heart health. Nevertheless, for people with cholesterol issues, adding too many quail eggs to their diets is not advisable. 10. Prevent bladder stones. These eggs promote the health of your kidney, liver and gallbladder. They contain a component called lecithin, that help break down bladder stones and stop the growth of these stones. 11. Soothe cough and asthma. The antioxidant properties in quail eggs can improve overall lung function. They are exceptionally high in vitamin A and selenium. Hence, they work wonders in treating respiratory issues such as cough, asthma and tuberculosis. 12. Relieve stomach and abdominal aching. Quail eggs can be a magical home remedy for digestive disorders such as gastritis, stomach ulcers, duodenal ulcers, etc. The high alkaline and powerful antioxidant compounds in these eggs will keep your digestive issues under control when consumed regularly. 13. Treat sexual disorders. The eggs possess many helpful vitamins, micro and macro elements, minerals, amino acids and a lot of good proteins. These elements aid in increased sexual desire and even help treat erectile dysfunction. 14. Slow down aging. Eating these eggs regularly helps strengthen the immune system and slow down the aging of organs eventually. The antioxidant, vital fatty acids, selenium and vitamins present in quail eggs make them a perfect anti-aging agent. It can be applied directly to the skin for softness and moisture. 15. Maintain a healthy nervous system. Quail eggs have been proved to be effective in battling stress problems, migraine, hypertension, depression, panic attacks and anxiety illnesses. Side effects of quail eggs. Though consumption of these eggs is beneficial for your health, sometimes eating too many quail eggs can bring side effects such as the increased risk of hypotension and hypoglycemia. For people with cholesterol issues, adding too many quail eggs to their diet is not advisable, since the eggs are high in cholesterol. Also, refrain from eating quail eggs without consulting your doctor if you are pregnant or lactating. Nevertheless, eating them in moderation is always recommended. How to eat. You can soft or hard boil the quail eggs, or fry them. Boiled quail eggs are used as a salad garnish in many cuisines. Quail egg extract capsules are also available in the market as an alternative for the ones who do not find them too appetizing to consume. Quail Egg Guacamole Recipe. Ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, 8 quail eggs, 1 small onion, 1 clove garlic, 1 small tomato, 1½ tablespoons of lime juice, salt and pepper to taste, corn chips, tortillas. Method: boil the eggs. As soon as they are done, place them in cold water and peel them. Cut them in halves and place aside. Wash the avocados, remove the seeds and peel them. Mash the avocados with the help of a spoon. Add the lime juice to the mashed avocado. It will stop the oxidation of the avocado when you continue with the guacamole. Chop the onion and tomato finely. Add them to the mashed avocado and mix until it forms a smooth paste. Add the quail eggs and mix gently. Add salt and pepper to taste. Refrigerate the guacamole for 20 minutes. Serve it with tortilla chips.